Hi everyone. Welcome back to Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your Trust Wallet address. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification by liking so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you want to find your Trust Wallet address, the first thing to do is to open up a Trust Wallet application. Once you're logged into your account, select the cryptocurrency that you'd like to receive. Remember that each asset has a different wallet address. For example, let me click on Bitcoin. Soon after you do that, click the Receive button on the next page and you'll be able to see your Trust Wallet address for the particular cryptocurrency. If you'd like to receive Bitcoin from a certain user on Trust Wallet, you'll need to provide them with a wallet address. Simply click the Copy button in order to copy your address and send it to the person that you'd want to receive the cryptocurrency from. That is how you can find a wallet address and Trust Wallet. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.